Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build an amazing, profitable dropshipping brand on Shopify. We're going to jump right into it. And at the end of this video, you're going to understand how to pick the right dropship partner and how to do it the right way, because dropshipping is an incredible business model. We all want to build that massive dropshipping store where we never need to touch any products, we never need to order anything up front, but we get to have all of the great benefits of running that e-com store with high profit products. And most stores fail from the start. And the reason that they fail, these dropshipping stores fail left and right. They're failing after over and over and over because they don't pick the right dropship supplier. They don't pick the right partner. And a really popular strategy is to partner with German Drop as your Shopify dropship partner. I highly, highly recommend them. They give you amazing products at high profit margins, allowing you to build that long-term, profitable, sustainable e-commerce business that you've been looking for. But if you pick the wrong supplier, you literally have no chance to succeed right from the start. That's why it's so super important to pick German Drop. And when you go and look for that Shopify dropshipping partner, there's no built-in way to do it. You need to pick an app. That's why you need to pick the German Drop app. I'm going to show you how super, super easy it is to install, how easy it is to link products to your store, how easy it is to get products automatically fulfilled. Literally, everything happens automatically when you set it up the right way. And I'm going to show you step by step. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you German Drop. It's what I highly, highly recommend. And you see the link directly below this video. It's an incredible option to build your Shopify dropshipping empire. And we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you, see the link below this video. We'll open that up. This is the German Drop dropshipping app, the all-in-one e-com solution provider for drop shipping stores and robust logistics, amazing supplier network, diverse product sources, pre-vetted suppliers. So you know you're not only getting great quality products, but you're working with really high quality suppliers that are going to make sure your product gets to your customer on time. With over 19 different shipping lines, customized options are going to guarantee that stable shipping time that's going to lead to great reviews and happy customers and repeat customers. That's how you build a really long-term business. German Drop provides all of these solutions that allow you to build the long-term business, the positive reviews that get people to come back over and over and over. And then to keep them there, you could have tailored branding, you could have private labeling, they even have print on demand, all inside of German Drop with 90 days complimentary warehousing, automated operations. You're never going to have to lift a finger. German Drop, or GD like I like to call it, they do everything for you. So all you need to do to get this installed in your store, you see the link again directly below this video. We're going to come over here and press install. This is going to bring us back into our Shopify store, and follow along step by step so you can set this up as I show you in this video. It's going to bring you back to the Shopify store where you're now going to press install. And this is going to connect German Drop to our Shopify store. We're not going to need to copy and paste anything. We're not going to need to, mess with any code or anything like that. Everything is going to happen automatically once you press install. Now I'm inside of my German Drop account. You can see over here in the store section, we have the store that I just linked when I installed the app. So everything is authorized, everything is connected. Now we can go over into our dashboard. On the dashboard, it's going to show you all of your stats over here, your payments processing and any support tickets that you have open. It's going to show your wallet as well as your account manager that you have direct access to for any questions or support. You'll start to see all of your stats over here, orders and costs start to get graphed right on the dashboard. If we come over to GD selected, this is a really good section over here because we're going to be able to find tons of hot selling products, winning products that we could add into our store, and they'll all be fulfilled with German Drop. Really easy to do, and you see the different categories in here. Basically just spend some time and search through. You definitely want to take a look at all of the different options that they have here. So many different products, so many different product categories. All you need to do now, click Get Shipping Quote Now, and this is going to have the sales team email you within 24 hours. Really, really simple process. Couldn't be any easier. We can go back over here to GD selected. We can find more products over here. Let's go into the home and garden tools section, and here's another thing, a nice dropship product over here, so we can click into that. We'll go into the product detail page here again, and we're going to be able to, again, see all the different information, the different variants that we're able to do, and again, all of these would be able to be linked into our store. And once we have products linked to our store, we'll be able to manage products. And we'll be able to have all these different products here. You can even source specific AliExpress products in there. You can store products at the warehouse as well if need be. You'll be able to see all of your different orders right inside here. This is a super important section. You'll be able to synchronize your orders here. You could even do it without connecting your personal store. And we can come over here, sync orders, and we'll be able to literally do it by store and by date range. Really powerful. All of the orders would then come over here, and of course we could select them and do batch payments to make sure everything gets fulfilled. And here's your wallet where you're going to be able to top up and have the funds managed in here. You also have the bank transfer option. This is going to allow you to, of course, transfer directly for USD, US dollars, super easy. And of course we have our online provider set up for PayPal. And you could just simply choose the amount that you want to top up with. There's also the recharge cash back right inside here. But really what I highly recommend you do right now, install the app, come over here and start searching out your niche and searching out your different product categories, finding these different products that enable you to kind of add them into your store and get them all set up. Because once you have the app installed, all you need to do is just select your products, like I showed you here. Come over here, click on them, and you'll be able to add them directly into your Shopify store. So that was German drop shipping. Highly recommended. You see that perfect 5 out of 5 star reviews over here in the Shopify App Store. This is an amazing option to help build your Shopify business. You can see all the positive 5-star reviews over here. Free to install as well. So literally all you need to do, just follow along, watch this video a couple times if you have to. The bottom line is just get German Drop in your store and get those products connected. Highly recommended as your drop shipping supplier. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope German Drop helps you build that massive drop shipping store. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.